Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing Chloe's birthday party scene with Peppa the Party Planner. In this video, it's all about parties and planning. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and smart stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me tell you how Peppa organized Chloe's birthday party. Chloe is Peppa's big cousin, and Peppa wants it to feel extra special. So Peppa starts with a super simple plan. She uses 3 P's: people, place, and plan. People. Who's invited? Family and friends. Place. Where's the party? At home, outside, or a hall? Plan. What will happen? Games, music, cake, and thank yous. Peppa makes a little checklist. Checklists are like tiny maps that help your brain remember. Invitations? Check. Decorations? Check. Cake? Yum. Check. Music and games? Check, check. Peppa also asks for help. Mummy Pig is in charge of candles. Daddy Pig sets up music, and George is on balloon duty. Asking for help is smart. It makes jobs faster and more fun. Peppa also thinks about time. She sends invitations early, so everyone can say yes. That's called planning ahead. She even practices the birthday song, La La La. When we plan, we feel calm. When we feel calm, parties feel happy. Keep drawing and coloring while we chat. Our party picture is going to look so fun. Guess what happens when Peppa does a balloon test outside? Whoosh! A windy swoop. 3 balloons float up, up, up like tiny moons. Oh no, you won't believe what George says. Dinosaur will catch them. Silly George. Peppa thinks fast. She says, new plan. They move the balloon table inside and tie the strings to chairs. Problem solved. What do you think Peppa would do next? Play a game or finish the banner? What do you think happened after the balloons flew away? If you think that's a super funny party moment, give this video a big like. Here comes some fun party facts while you keep drawing with me. And keep coloring too, the final picture will make you smile. Fun fact 1. Invitations work best when you send them 1 week early. 1 week is 7 days. Peppa counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Counting helps you plan. Fun fact 2. The perfect party has 3 games. That's not too many, not too few. Peppa chooses freeze dance, pass the parcel, and treasure hunt. 3 is a great number for kids. 1, 2, 3, play! Fun fact 3. Balloons float when they're filled with a special gas called helium. It's lighter than air, so balloons rise. If there's wind, tie them down. That's a safety and saving trick Peppa learns. Fun fact 4. Only grown-ups light birthday candles. Kids make wishes. When Chloe blows out the candles, everyone cheers. Peppa practiced the song so they sing together. Happy birthday, Chloe! Planning makes singing feel easy. But that's not all. Peppa has a plan B. A backup plan is a second idea if the first idea doesn't work. If it rains, the picnic moves inside. If the music stops, everyone claps a beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and sings a song. Ta-da! A backup plan keeps the party rolling. Here's a kindness secret. Thank you is the last gift of the party. Peppa helps Chloe say thanks for coming and thanks for the presents. Thank yous are like warm hugs you can say with words. They make people feel seen and happy. And games can be friendly for all ages. Peppa picks games where little ones and big kids can play together. She makes teams, mixes ages, and cheers for effort, not just winning. Teamwork makes parties joyful. One more surprising tip. Decorations can be simple patterns. Circle, star, star. Patterns help our brains learn sequences. Peppa's banner follows a pattern, so it looks neat and festive. Keep drawing and coloring with me. The final image will wow you. Picture all the smiles when Chloe sees the room, the cake, the games, and hears, surprise! That's the magic of good planning and big hearts. amazing! Today we drew Chloe's birthday party with Peppa the Party Planner, and we learned 1. Make a simple plan. People, place, plan. 2. Ask for help and use a backup plan. And kindness makes the best parties. And if you love smart stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw and Learn. See you next time, friends. Bye!